Okay, sa mapagpalang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And welcome back to our live. Sige po. Ayan, good luck. This is our semi-final game between our beloved Lasal Green Hills versus the Lourdes School Mandaluyong. Good luck, both team. Shoutout po sa ating butihin Mayor Francis Zamora, napaka-supportive para sa kanilang bunsong anak na si Noah Zamora. Let's go. And the first ball pupunta sa ating Lasal Green Hills. Cruz, Pato Martires, out of bounds. Lourdes School Mandaluyong basketball. Number 9. Oy! Finding open man. Libreng-libre doon. Player ng Lourdes. Basket para kay Cruz. Ian Cruz. Lucero. Jump shot, no good. Number 5. And he gets a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 5. No good. Ng Lasal. Ojeda, pass to Cruz, back to Ojeda, pass to Martires, bounce pass. And can Ojeda, pull up jumper, yes sir. favor. Lamang na tayo ng dalawa. Lucero with the ball. Lucero. There's a foul. Jump shot, no good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Block. Makuha number 9. Side step. Uy! Nakalusot ang Mighty Mouse ng Lourdes. Martires, spin. Steal ng Lourdes. Lucero, may tanga na bola. Lucero. Loader. Wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Lucero. Pastuliao. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Kora ng Lasal. Martires. Past Pencan. No good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Lucero. Yeah, 4-3. Whoa! 3-point dito ang Lourdes. Cruz. Pass to Martires. Martires. No good. Rebound. Palyao. Pass to Lucero. Lucero to Liao. Liao. Bounce pass. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Lasal. Martires. Ojeda. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Pencan. Oopsie. Bad pass. Bola rito ng Lourdes. Lucero. Oh, steal by Ojeda. Ojeda nagmamadali. 3 against 2. Ojeda, no good. Rebound. Masa-save ni Cruz. Cruz. Pass to Ojeda, setting on the play. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Nasa corner. Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to Lucero. Lucero, may tanga ng bola. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Green ball. Mga katsyonin lamang po, this is the semi-final game sa ating Bayad League 2025-2013 Division. Ang mananalo po dito ang haharapin ang Ateneo sa finals. Cruz, kick out to Pencan. Back to Cruz, to Ojeda. Fake. Ojeda, nabitawan. Nagagawan, makukuha. Inokando. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Rosero. Rosero with the Hesi. Pass to Liao. Liao. And there's a foul. Sa? Di ko pa. Utang na utang. Utang. Hindi pwede.
Mag-invest.
Oo.
Pero paid off na.
Kailangan di pa.
Investment kasi ito.
Oo. Iwan dito ng Lasal. Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Upper pass. Cruz. 4-3. In and out. Cruz. No good. Steal by number 0. Pass to Rosero. Post. No good. Rebound by Ilocando. Pass to Cruz. Out that pass. Ojeda. What a pass. To Pencan. Down by 1. 17-6. Oh, bad pass. Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. Wala dito ng Lasal. Ojeda, pass to Ilocando. Block. Time remaining last 51 seconds. Bola rito ng Lourdes. Oopsie! Offensive foul. Noah Zamora coming in. Kinas pa rin para sa Lasal Green Hills. Time out. Lourdes Mandaluyong. Time remaining, last 51 seconds. Dito lang din. Back to the ball game. Cruz. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Cruz. Losing the board, no good. Cruz. And hit basket. It's good. Change favor. Lamang na ang ating Lasal Green Hills. Oy, wala. Rebound. Number 0. Oopsie. There's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 0. Time remaining, last 15 seconds. Second shot is good. Last 15 seconds. Cruz. Nabitawan. Ayan na nagagawan. And that's the end of our first quarter. Fisher scores all. Correction. 10-8. In favor of Lourdes. Cool. Second quarter tayo, let's go.
Tulog talaga ako sa basketball.
Back to the ball game. Move it na lang.
Loko.
Ha?
Mahal po eh.
Mahal ba?
250.
Ay! Huwag na. May jeep ah. Pagpasig.
Di po, ano po?
Ortigas
Wait
na
ako
yun.
ng uno.
Ah, okay.
Ano po itutuloy ba?
Back to the ball game. Cruz from the corner. Cruz. And there's a foul. Go. Ooh. Shout out kay Sir Anthony Cruz. And sobrang supportive yan. Perez din para sa Lasal Green Hills. Number 8, block para kay Cruz. Pass to Loki. Loki, block. And a save there. Ayan na si Noah Zamora. Pass to Loki. Loki, floater. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ng Lourdes. Number 8. Oy, naabitawan. Out of bounds. Bola rito, ano? Number 67, Cruz. Ayan ang pressure defense. Naitawid. Uy! And that's the 8-second shot clock violation. Nakita agad yun ng ating referee. Bola rito ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. La Lucero. Tama na bola. Here comes Lucero. Spin. Up and under. No good. Oh. There's a foul. Second shot para jersey number 5. Basket is good. 11 and 9. Pass number 67. Pass to Noah Zamora. Now back to number 67. Pass to Noah Zamora. 4-3. Short. Rebound ng Lourdes. Number 7. Pass to number 9. Pinigay, number 5, no good. Floater, wala pa rin. Ayun na, kick out. Number 8, pass to Lucero, top of the key. Crossover, Lucero. And he gets the foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 10, Lucero. Wala matulog kagabi.
Nag-20 kita ko, nananaginip na ako eh.
Puyat nga.
Tapos talagang, kasi problema
Kaso ingat kung gagawin gamit.
Pagkasakay ka dyan, ang daming tao.
Back to the ball game. 12-9. Noah Zamora, pass number 57, pass to Noah Zamora. Martinez to Cruz, low-key floater and score. Twelve 11. Number 5, basket count, plus a foul by jersey number 5. Kick out, number 67 for 3. Oh! Nasa gitna, number 0, blocked by Martinez. Martinez, jump shot, no good. Lucero, top of the key, 4-3. Let's go. Number 67, pass to Martinez, bounce pass to Noah Zamora. Crossover, uy, step back two, no good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Pass to Lucero, 4-3, in and out, rebound by Martinez. Pass to Noah Zamora. To Cruz. Noah Zamora, 4-3, no good, rebound by Martinez. And there's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Martinez shooting for 2. First shot is good. Basket. 19-15. Ay na, pressure defense ng Lourdes, number 33, na bitawan. Pass to Lucero. Lucero versus Loki. Lucero with a spin, bounce pass, number 5. No good, rebound by number 7. Take a shot, no good, rebound by Martinez. Pass to Cruz. There we go, Cruz, may tanga na bola, pass to Loki, pass to Cruz, to number 67, Cruz, sidestep, floater, and score! Pabasa dalawang ang kalamangan ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. Time out. LSM. Official scores 19-17 in favor pa rin sa Lourdes Mandaluyong.
Pinigay ko lang sa sama. Dalawang din mo. Kumbaga, also din. Para tayo siya. Bago ka pala ba dyan?
Oh? There we go, back to the ball game. Wala rin Lourdes. Oy, munti ka na magawan. Number 0. Oy, nabitawan. Good defense para sa La Salle Green Hills. Pass to number 67. Pass to Martinez. To number 67. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Tignan natin ang official time score. Official game natin mga referee. Okay, La Salle Green Hills basketball. Here we go. Noah Zamora, pass to Cruz, binigay sa corner. Low-key running shot, too strong rebound. Ojeda, pass to Martinez. Martinez spin. Martinez shot, and that's a 3 seconds violation. Lourdes, pinasok sa loob. Linutok na lamang. Pasok yan para sa Lourdes. Ganda rin ang pasahan ng Lourdes dito sa ating semifinals. Ojeda, stop and pump, short, rebound. Eliao. Pass to Lucero. Pass to Liao. Liao. Lucero, and that's a 3 seconds violation. Here comes Loki. Nagmamadali. Pass to Martinez. Martinez with the cross. Pass to Noah Zamora. Backdoor pass. Top of the key. Loki Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Outlet pass. Lucero. Umatake and gets the foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 10, Lucero. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Lucero. In and out, rebound by Noah Zamora. Let's go. Pass to Loki. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda. Pass to Noah Zamora. Floater in and out. Rebound by Lazaro. Or Lucero. Lucero. Good defense by Noah Zamora to stop the low post. Ay na. Last 59 seconds. Cruz umatake and gets a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 3. Cruz. Oh, good. Time remaining, last 53 seconds. Cruz. No good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Lucero. Pass to Liao. Liao. Oh, steal by Martinez. Martinez, atake, run and shot, no good. Rebound, makuha ni Noah Zamora. Oy. Sayang. It's a traveling violation. Last 17 seconds. 13 seconds. 10. 9. Jump shot by Lucero. 6. 4. 3. 2. Tira. 1. And that's the end of our first half. Official score 21-17. At magbabalik tayo.
2 minute nap.
2 minutes and 31 seconds para sa ating pagbabalik sa second half. Hey, Sabi. Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter, let's go. Animo Lasal. Let's go. Block by Martinez. Outlet pass. Here we go. Cruz. Whoa. And gets the foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 1, Cruz. Uy. Let's go. Second shot is good. 21-18. Let's go. Animo Lasal. Oopsie, out of bounds. Good defense. Sable pa rin, Lourdes School Basketball. Number 9 setting on the play. Uy. Ay na si Liao, pinasa corner. Number 7, nabitawan. Steal by Noah Zamora. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda. Nabitawan. Uy. Steal. Thiago. Pass to Martinez. To Ojeda. Bounce pass to Noah Zamora. Pinombat. Tumira and score! And the first basket muna kay Noah Zamora. Ayan. Daddy is here and father, mommy and daddy is here. Mayor Francis and Ma'am Kerry Zamora. Lucero. Rapas. Block by Martinez. Lucero with a floater. Oopsie, there's a foul. Seven minutes and 41 seconds. Corner ng Lasal. Out of bounds. Lasal Green Hills Basketball. Ojeda. Pass to Martinez. Back to Ojeda. Ojeda with a cross. Ojeda, jump shot. No good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Lucero. Pass to number 0. Wala. Rebound. Cruz. Outlet pass. Ayun na. Martinez. Ojeda. And gets a foul. First shot is good. Galing yan kay Ojeda.
Second shot para kay Ojeda. Rebound by Miggy. Miggy kick out. Pinasa from the corner. Jam shot using the board. Wala. Rebound. Ojeda. With a putback. Shot there para kay Ojeda. Jersey number 8. And pressure defense. Ian Cruz ang bumabantay na dito sa kanilang point guard. Number 0. Reverse layout and score. Balik-ulit ang Kalamangan sa Lourdes Mandaluyong. Pencan. Oy. Nag-recover si Lucero. Kick out to Liao from the elbow 3 short. Rito ng Lourdes School Mandaluyong. Ojeda pass to Cruz to Ochoa. Martinez, Miggy, strong drive and score by Miggy. Martinez. Tabla tayo sa 25. Lucero pass to number 0 to Lucero. Pinas sa corner. Lucero. Spin. Jump shot. Oy! Balik ang Kalamangan sa Lourdes. Martinez, pass to Ojeda, drop pass to Martinez, floater, no good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Lucero. Lucero to Liao. Matake, wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Martinez. Basket count and 1 by Pencan. Ayan na ang Lourdes. Lazaro nabitawan. Para kay Lucero. Second shot by Lucero, no good. Ojeda, pass to Cruz, fake. Back to Ojeda. Step back to short. Rebound by Ochoa. Pencan to Ojeda. Ojeda from the corner. No good. Offensive foul. Bawal daw yun. Send ko yun, yung dyan. Nandun kasi. Wait lang, send ko na. Zero for 3. No good. Wala pa rin. Makakuha ni Cruz. Cruz nagmamadali. Cruz umatake. No good. Rebound by Ojeda. Ojeda fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Here comes Lucero. Number 7. Back to Lucero. Lucero from elbow, short. Dito ng Lasal Green Hills. Oopsie. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Substitution. No good. Rebound by Martires. Here comes Marty. Oriel, ayun na ang double team. Pass to Pencan. Martires, steal by Lucero. There's a foul. Number 3. Lucero, pinasa corner. Jump shot, no good. And gets a foul. Number 0, graduate. Wala na ang kanilang big man. Nabawasan na po. Time remaining, 1 minute. Oh! It's a day in violation. Pass! Cruz. Pass to Martires. Martires with a layup. Basket. Change favor na. Damang na tayo ng isa. Munti ka na magawan. From the corner. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Cruz. Cruz. Out that pass. Let's go. Ochoa. No good. Rebound. Whoa. Walang tawag ate referee doon. Lucero nabitawan. And that's it. Raveling. Let's go. Last 23 seconds. Ito ng Lasal. Last 23 seconds sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter. Showa, may tanga ng bola. Pass to Oriel. Oriel. Martinez and gets a foul. Two shots para kay Miggy Martinez. Time remaining, last 11 seconds. Go Martinez, Miggy, basket. 30-28. Abante tayo ng dalawa. Second shot, wala, rebound. Cruz, pass to Oriel. Marty, and gets a foul. Let's go, Marty. Time remaining, last 5.5 seconds. Oriel, shooting for two. Oh, yes, sir. Oriel, wala, rebound. Oh, my foul. Okay, and that's the end of our third quarter. May 3-4 pa. Wala pa. Meron pa tayo natitirang 2.0. 2 seconds remaining. Di pa daw po tapos ating third quarter. 2, 1. Oy! Good defense para sa Lasal. Okay, that's the end of our third quarter. Official score at 31-28. Ha? Wala na.
Mamaya.
Mamaya.
Para magkakaroon sa
Mamaya.
Hindi pa rin sisimula. Standing daw.
Let's go, J-Mike! Let's go, J-Mike!
Okay, tayo daw na sa ating fourth and final quarter. Let's go, Animo Lasal.
Agad ka! Let's go, Bones! Let's go, Bones!
Let's go. Fourth quarter. Bola ng Lasal. Marty, 4-3, no good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Ayan na si Lucero, binigay kay number 7, basket. 31-30. Oh, no good. Rebound. Cruz. Oh, sorry, that's Enocando. Jump ball. Lucero. Pass the corner, jump shot, too strong. Blocked by Martinez. Steal. Martinez. Pass to Cruz. Let's go, Cruz. Crossover. Cruz. Libre. Ooh, na-strip. Nice defense. Nice recover. Ayan na, rebound by Miggy. Pass to Oriel from the corner. Short. Rebound ng Lourdes. Here comes Lucero. Pass to number 11. Back to Lucero. Lucero cross. Spin. Lucero. Fade away shot. Short. Rebound by Miggy. Pass to Oriel. To Cruz. Cruz gets the three. No good. Rebound. And out of bounds.
Tambal yata yung dalawang sis eh. Tambal.
Bola rito ng Lourdes School, Mandaluyong. Number 8, pass to Lucero. Pinasa corner, 4-3, short. Oy, no good. Rebound. Makukuha. Ilyao. Fade away shot. No good. Reverse layup. Good defense. Ilyao was there. Oh! And there's a foul. Time remaining 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Makuha ng Lasal. Oriel. Pass to Ojeda. Cruz, top of the key, 4-3. No good. Ibang Balyao. Oh, Lucero. Balyao. Umatake, walang tawag. Rebound by Enocando. Enocando, nagmamadali. Ayan na. Dire-derecho. Enocando, spin. Tumira, short. Rebound. Liao. Here comes Lazaro. O Lucero. Crossover. Spin move. Nice pass there. And gets the basket. Change favor. Lamang na ang Lourdes ng dalawa. Enocando. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Pass number 67. From elbow. No good. Rebound by Lucero. Lucero. Pass number 7. Nakalusot. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Back to the ball game. go. Animal Lasal back to the ball game. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Cruz, pass to Cruz. Okay, sa kanyang brother, Martinez. Kick out to Cruz from the corner. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Cruz. Noah Zamora. Cruz. Cruz. Get the shot. And there's a foul.
Kala lang guys. Sino
Wala to, wala lang.
mag-aantay sa final?
Basket.
Magic. Sino po mga kalaban na talaga? Rin. So yun, sigurado pa rin.
Cruz. No good. And a violation.
Sorry.
Lucero, may tahan ng bola. Lucero, pass number 0. Nalusot si Lucero. Pass number 0. Balik sa limang kalamangan ng Lourdes. 37-32. Let's go, Animal Lasal. Martinez, pass to Ojeda from the corner. Bang! 37-34. Lucero, nagmamadali. Lucero, pinasa, steal by Cruz. Out of bounds. Time out. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Shoutout po kay Jim Pomperes. Shoutout po kay Jim Shoutout po kay Joe Melanie. Guerrero Santos. Shoutout po kay Dayan Santos.
Okay, back to the ball game. Official score 37-34. Tama pa rin po dito ang Lourdes. Mandaluyong. Lucero tatanggap ng bola. Lucero gets the 3. Short rebound. Makuha number 0. Oh. It's a foul. Ang grabe mo nila. Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Noah. Zamora. Pass to Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Ojeda, setting on the screen. Backdoor pass to Cruz from the corner. 3, no good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, umatake, too strong. Rebound ng Lourdes. Lucero. Back to Lucero. Lucero to Liao. Liao, umatake. Wala. Rebound by Martires. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, dire-derecho. Cruz, umatake. Uy, walang tawag ang ating referee. Last 3 minutes and 1 seconds. Bola rito ng Lourdes. Number 10. Lucero, may tangan ng bola. I-discarte. Pinasa sa post. Atake ang depensa ni Noah. Short, rebound, number 0. Wala, rebound. Yaw, nabitawan. Tumira. Oy! Nahabol. Naipasok pa yun ng Lourdes. Balik sa anim ang kalamangan ng Lourdes. Paul Mandaluyong. Ojeda, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, no good. Makukuha ni number 0. Pass to Lucero. Lucero. Crossover. Drop pass. Steal by Cruz. Outlet pass. Here we go, Cruz. He gets this basket. Nabasa pa ang kalamangan ng Lourdes School, Mandaluyong. Ayun na. Let's go. Oh, steal by Ojeda. Ojeda, pass to Cruz. Cruz, umatake! Bang! Babasa dalawa ang alamangan. Offensive foul! Let's go! Time out! Lourdes School, Mandaluyong. Official score 40-38 in favor of Lourdes Mandaluyong. Time remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang abante at haharapin ang Ateneo sa finals para sa ating Payap Liga 2025-2013 division? Let's go, Animo Lasal. Tama. Let's go. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Lasal Green Hills. Bola natin. Let's go. Ojeda. Pass to Martires. No good. Rebound. Rebound ng Lourdes. Let's go. Oy! Number 0. Wala. Rebound by Miggy. Let's go, Miggy. Let's go, Lasal. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Martires. Ojeda to Cruz. Ojeda, jump shot. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni number 0. Ayan na. Oy, nabitawan. Number 0, block. Ooh! There's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 0 or number 5. Wala mistaken, that's Lau. Oh, sorry. Whoa! Wala. Let's go! Lasal. Last 33.8 seconds. Dalawa lamang ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. Second shot, no good! Rebound by Bengan. Ayan na. Cruz. Tumira and score! Let's go! Tabla tayo! 7:40. Time out. Ang Lourdes dito. Time remaining. Last 27 seconds. Time out dito ang Lourdes. Tabla tayo sa 40. Last 27.2 seconds remaining. Let's go! Animo Lasal! Let's go! Ayan na. Nandito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng laro. Ang last seconds. 27.2 seconds remaining. Yao. Mag-inbound. Pinasa sa corner. Lucero. May tanga ng bola. Setting on the play. Lucero. Behind the back. Lucero. Atake. Walang tawag. Number 0 and gets a foul. Oh my! Shooting on the line, jersey number 5 for a crucial free throw. Last 14.7 seconds. Oh! Let's go! Wala! Rebound by Martinez! Ay na! 14 seconds remaining. Ojeda may tahan ng bola. Pass to Bengan. Sino tatanggap? Ojeda, pass to Cruz. Cruz, pass to Cruz for 3! Oh! And we have an overtime! Woo! Grabe! Pinanalano mo kasi. Sayang. Pero okay lang, bawi tayo. Let's go. Overtime tayo. Meron tayong additional 5 minutes.
Para kayo mo na.
And shout out sa ating Team Mayor Francis Zamora and Ma'am Carrie Zamora. Overtime tayo. Shoutout din sa ating media team. Hey! Okay! Overtime tayo. Let's go, 5 minutes. Yao, catch and shoot, no good, rebound. Makuha ni Martires. Miggy, pass to Pencan. Pencan steal by Lucero. Lucero. Oh, steal. Pass to Miggy. Miggy nagmamadali. Miggy umatake. And score! to 40. Lucero, may tangan ng bola. Pass to Liao. Liao. Pinigay. Number 0. Pass to number 7. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Pencan. There's a foul. Or a jump ball. Ayaw ko panda rin. Let's go! Cruz! Pass to Cruz! Cross court pass! Ojeda! Pass to Pencan! Pencan! Umatake! Wala! Rebound! Makukuha lang Lourdes. Here comes Lucero. Lucero, may tangan ng bola. Lucero, pass to Liao. Liao! And a center up play! Time remaining, 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Bola rito ng Lasal Greniers. Here comes Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, pass to Ojeda. Ojeda, nabitawan, makakuha ng Lourdes. Ayan na, dire-diretso, number 7. Oh! Basket count. And one para kay number 7. Nagbubo ka na. Wala. Tabla tayo sa 42. Martires. Pass to Ojeda. Pinasa corner. Cruz for 3. Oh! In and out. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Pass to Ojeda from elbow 3. Short. He saved the ball. Ayan na, makuha ng Lourdes. Number 0 ng pamadali. Number 0, steal by Ojeda. Ojeda, nagmamadali. Ojeda, tumira, no good. Rebound. Makuha ng Lourdes. Ayan na, si Lucero, nagmamadali. Pinigay, number 7, attack the basket, but there's a foul. Grabe yun. Shooting on the line, jersey number 7. Wala. Remaining time, 1 minute and 58 seconds. Wala! Rebound! Oh! Makukuha ng Lourdes. Lucero, may tangan na bola. Lucero, floater. Whoa! Balik ang kalamangan sa Lourdes. Cruz. Cruz sa atake. Reverse layup. And score! Tabla tayo sa 44. Lucero, may tangan ng bola. Selling on the play. Kukuha ng pick. Lucero, umatake. Kick out to number 7. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Enocando. Enocando to Cruz. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Setting on the play. Bibigay kay Ojeda. Last 1 minute na lamang po sa ating overtime. Cruz. Pass to Ojeda. Oy! Steal! Balyao! Here comes Lucero. Lucero. Pass to Liao. Oh! Ipasok nyo na, guys! Let's go, Lasal! Last 40 seconds. Mahaba-haba pa to. Let's go. Cruz. Setting on the screen. Cruz with the cross. Umatake. Tumira. Basket! Timeout! Lourdes School. Let's go. Time remaining. Last 25 seconds. Time out dito. Lourdes Mandaluyong. Okay. Let's go. Hindi natin nakadal ng ating team na Lasal Green Hills. Let's go. What's up? Let's go. Let's go back to the ball game. Intense lang yung laban eh. Kaya natin yan. Let's go. Sa gitna, ang bola. Bola ng Lourdes. Yao, maglalabas ng bola. Sino tatanggap? Si Lucero. Lucero, nahanap ng 3 points. Lucero, nagagap. Pinagagay kay Liao. Liao, umatake. Wala! Rebound! Ng Enocando. Cruz, Lasal. Let's go! Last 12 seconds. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. Time out. Tignan natin. Okay, may natitira pa tayong last 12.2 seconds. 46 to 44. And shout out, Mayor Francis Zamora and Ma'am Carrie Zamora. And shout out din sa ating mga kasama dito from media team. Ayan, shout out kala Ma'am Abby. Ayan, kala Idol. Kanina dito si Idol Intoy. And shout out din kay Matt. Kasama natin dito.
Final seconds.
Let's go! Bola ng Lasal. Cruz. Pinagay. Oy! Miggy! Ah!
Let's go! Ayan na! Lucero! Tumira! Shot! Mati nga matay doon! Shout out! Sir, shout out! Hello! Grabe! Ay, kasama si Mario. Ay, kasama natin sa ating pag-live. Congratulations and a nice game. Grabe! Mandigan pa yan.
Baka mahali-Burton sila dun.
Ay, oh, our final score, 46-44. Congratulations, LaSalle Green Hills. We're going to the finals. At kaharapin ang Ateneo de Manila University. Ayan, let's go. Alright, muli maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood at magkita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli.